What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can download ClickUp app on your PC or laptop. Now search for ClickUp, okay, on Google. Search for ClickUp and then search for download for Windows or Mac or any any system you are using. If you are using Windows, search for download ClickUp for Mac, download ClickUp for Windows. It depends on what system you are using. After that, you want to select the first website that says here mobile, desktop app, Chrome, Leisure, Google Home, ClickUp. Now you just want to click this website, and after that, guys, what you need to do is you want to scroll down a little bit, okay, and here it will give you a few different options. Now if you don't want to search for your system, if just search for clickup.com/download, and it will take you to this page, and then you can select which system you want which system you are using, and then click. For example, I'm using Windows. I'm going to click Windows, and as you can see, this is ClickUp. It's downloading at the very bottom left. It's downloading. Click on the ClickUp and then just install it. This is how you can install it. Just click on it and wait for it a few seconds. As you can see here, it says here installing, please wait. That's all you need to do, guys. You just want to wait a few seconds and then the ClickUp will be installed on your PC. Open it and then enter here your information, email, and enter your password that you are using on the web version, and you can then open your ClickUp on your PC or laptop. You can find ClickUp here on your programs. That's exactly, guys, how you can download it. Please, if this video helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.